Hello everybody, welcome back to the Daily Weather Report. Today, we're talking about this morning. It's 6:59, Wednesday, August 12th, here in North Las Vegas, Nevada. It is, holy cow! Is that 90% chance of rain I see? Oh my gosh. For all of you going to work this morning, be careful on the roads, it'll be slick. 86 degrees, mainly sunny, feels like 86, but man, take a look at that big number down there at the bottom, 90% chance of rain. And for those of you who live in Las Vegas, you know that at least a 30% chance of rain means it's gonna rain. So, as we go on through the day though, it starts to warm up, the percentage of rain goes down. It kind of stays at around 30% from 10 a.m. to about noon.
The wind changing.
But here we look at the wind here. This morning, the gusts are 26 kilometers an hour, while the wind is 18 kilometers an hour. And we go to let's go to noon. It goes up to 21 kilometers an hour, while the wind stays at about 14 kilometers. But we get to this one at 1 o'clock. It says there's a risk of a thunderstorm at 97 degrees. Man, 60% chance of rain with 17 kilometer gusts and 12 kilometer an hour winds, southeast. Usually the percentage of rain kind of stays pretty high today, with it being hot, 97 degrees with 40% chance of rain at 2 o'clock. For the people coming back home though, it seems like you guys are going to be pretty okay, 10% chance of rain with it being sunny. But here Wednesday, 3 o'clock, for those of you who maybe get off work early or get out of school, get on the bus, you guys are going to have about 93 degrees with a 60% chance of rain. It says it's going to be cloudy with showers.
90. You push the button.
Oh, there we go. 90% chance of rain at 3 o'clock. 95 degrees. Gusts of about 21 kilometers an hour and winds upwards of 14 kilometers an hour coming out of the southeast again.
Okay,
So
now go down. Now give them
and so today there's an average of about 97 degrees with the low being 82. Risk of thunderstorms today, 40% chance of rain. Tomorrow, about 99 degrees with a low of 81 with a mix of sun and clouds and 30% chance of rain. Thursday, you have a 95%, or it's going to be 95 degrees with a low of 77. Man. There's a chance of showers with it being about 60% chance of rain on Thursday. 97 degrees on Friday, sunny with a low of 79. Which seems like Friday's probably your day to get out and go to the lake or do whatever. Saturday, 102 with a low of 81, and it's going to be sunny, no rain. Sunday, high of 100.
Okay, now push the home button and go to radar. Go across the apps over to radar. Enter.
Set with my zip code.
Just enter. Go back to loading.
Just enter.
Center button. Okay, now push the up arrow. It goes left. Okay, scroll left. Get Nevada in the middle. Stop. Push the center button. Push the up arrow. Now, okay, now push the center button and go down. Okay, Vegas is over your right shoulder there. So you can scroll in more, but right now, take it to the left. Okay, all those clouds are going up you see where they're coming from?
Yeah.
They're coming from Laughlin up through Dolan Springs up to St. George.
Yeah.
Okay. So gently scroll out, sit down. Now talk to the people about the clouds and the weather.
Okay. And here we have what looks like our clouds or rain coming through. Here's Las Vegas here, Sunrise Manor, Paradise, Henderson. You have St. George up here. You have Laughlin and Bullhead City down here. Kingman's here.
But if you watch, you can see the time at the bottom.
Yeah.
It scrolls for the last hour, shows which way.
And it looks like the clouds are going about north, northeast. This is the hour report, running from 6 to 7 a.m. Looks like clouds are coming from Laughlin up to St. George, up to Cedar City and Enterprise and things like that. So it looks like Las Vegas will be a little cloudy today, but
Now give us the U.S. report. So you click on the center and push the down arrow, and now you'll bring in the whole U.S. slowly. As we expand out, we see some up in Grand Junction, Colorado. Keep going. See, Grand Junction, Colorado
Oh, yeah.
now has down at St. Greaves National Forest,
yeah.
and go out some more.
Oh, I have to click the forgot about that. There you
Okay, now click the center again, and the left side.
go. Left side.
Okay, click the center. Okay, down. Okay, click the center. Down. Now, click the center. Left side. Okay, right side. Keep going across the U.S. to where you see what's going on the East Coast and the upper Midwest where they have severe storm warnings, and
There we go.
you close it out with a United States wide forecast of what's going on.
Okay. But there we go. Okay, I can kind of talk about that. Up in the Des Moines area, Des Moines is getting slammed. Chicago's gonna get it. Columbus, Ohio might get it. Okay. So here's the full U.S. report over here in about kind of near the Phoenix area. It's probably about 250 miles away from Phoenix. They're getting a slight chance of rain. Up there by Salt Lake City, they're getting getting a little bit of rain, some clouds. Up here in Des Moines, they're getting slammed. Topeka's getting slammed, and same with the. It looks like Chicago might be getting slammed too. See all that red that's going to be heavy. If it's pink, then that's bad. Here in Kentucky, it looks like Louisville might be getting some rain. So, all of you guys out on the road today, be careful. Be aware of your surroundings and make sure you're not going too fast.
You might talk to them about how convection affects the weather through the Midwest this afternoon as convection heats up and
Oh,
adds
yeah.
turbulence to all of that weather. That's why they have afternoon
Oh yeah.
storms. But okay, you did good. It's kind of fun, isn't it? It wasn't near as painful and hard as you thought